I have a lot of clients who have complex property issues. And, in Texas, we're a community property state, meaning everything acquired during the marriage is community property, except those things that were owned prior to marriage, those things were inherited or gifted. Now, a real interesting comes up when you're talking about restricted stock. That takes a lot of research because as somebody's benefit, they may acquire restricted stock. The key about restricted stock is when does that stock vest? So you may have multiple restricted stocks. Some of it may vest before the divorce is over, and some of it may vest after the divorce. So it's important to break those down and make sure you have those exact times. You want to get with your work. You want to have all this vested information ready for your lawyer, and you want to have a business record affidavit with it. And here's why the business record affidavit is important, because the person who gives that is the custodian of the records for your restricted stock, and you can present that to the court as evidence. And if you have restricted stock that is separate property, well, that's not subject to division by the court, and you should not be giving a portion of that to the other side. So in Texas, to show separate property, it's your burden to show the court that it is your separate property. So getting the evidence you need through a business record affidavit allows you to provide that proof that is necessary to give the court, to show the court, hey, judge, this is my separate property. We are not dividing it. And the judge will not divide that. And that won't be considered in, most cases we start at 50-50 and then we deviate based on the facts. So that won't be considered in that division. That will protect what is yours, take it off the table. So make sure you do your research and you know those vesting dates if you have any restricted stock. And if you have any more questions, just give us a call. We'll be happy to talk about your case.